If you want to make sure you don't violate the due on sale clause and you want to preserve your title insurance as well as your hazard insurance, use the land trust. Whenever you transfer property into your anonymous trust, this is going to be a type of land trust. The land trust provides a couple of advantages. One is that we can transfer to an inter vivos land trust as long as we don't change around the occupancy structure, and as long as the settlor is also the mortgagor and a beneficiary of that trust. Well, we accomplish a couple of different things. One, it's very possible that the laws would protect us from the banks being able to foreclose based upon the due on sale clause. I'm not worried about the due on sale clause, but if you were, that land trust is a way to be able to get around that. Secondly, it allows us to be able to preserve our title insurance as well as our hazard insurance. The title insurance and hazard insurance are going to be protected by using the land trust properly to preserve the ownership interest and the way that the insurance policies are written. You always want to review your insurance policy, your title insurance policy, as well as your hazard insurance policy to find out what would happen if you transfer it to the land trust. It'll spell it out in there for you. In most cases, the land trust is going to be able to accomplish the caveats of that insurance policy. Always able to check with your agent to be able to find out the particulars of that regarding the land trust. And if you're ever worried about it, what you can always do is add the land trust as a beneficiary to those policies. So that way you would know for sure on paper by the letter of that contract that you would be able to preserve those insurance rights. This is something that's beneficial over issuing a new insurance policy, because a new insurance policy, especially for title insurance, would have to be given under the current value of the property, which is likely higher than the value of the property whenever you bought it, and therefore you'd actually end up having to pay more. One, to reissue the policy, and the overall value of the policy would be higher. My name is Scott Smith. I'm an asset protection attorney specializing in real estate. I'm a real estate investor myself, and I want to help you.